Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll guide you through the steps of creating a circle crop with a stroke around it using CapCut Mobile. This technique adds a unique touch to your video, so let's dive right in. First, open the CapCut app on your phone and start a new project. Import the screenshot and the talking head video that you want to work with. Click on the talking head video. Go to Mask and select Circle Mask. Resize the circle by using two fingers, ensuring it's centered. Click Select to confirm. Click on the talking head video. Choose Overlay and add the screenshot as the overlay. Resize the reposition the overlay as needed. Return to the main timeline. Click on Text and add a text element. Type a capital O in the chosen font with a teen appearance. Select a color for the stroke. Adjust the size and position of the text element around your talking head. This will create the stroke effect. Click Done, and once you're satisfied with the placement, now you have a circle crop with a stroke effect around your talking head. And there you have it! You've successfully created a circle crop with a stroke effect in CapCut Mobile. This adds a dynamic element to your videos, making them stand out. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye!